Other Worlds, Stories of Dystopia and Fantasy. Hey, dear readers, welcome back. If you like to hear directions, please watch the video. How are you? Take 3 breaths. In with the good, out with the bad. Where are you on the compass? Ignite, have you ever thought about how things should be? Chunk into pieces. Philosophers, people ask questions, have often dreamed of ideal worlds called utopias. Everything is great in a utopia. In contrast, sometimes writers notice problems and they write about it using a dystopian world or fantasy. During quarter 3, you will get to work in groups. The groups can be based on friendships or similar tastes in novels. Either way, you will have more help this quarter from your fellow students. Get ready to fight evil and ignorance. Let's go! Chew on it. Pick from a list 4 more books that light your imagination. A longer list helps us match students with reading clubs. Spider-Man: The Darkest Hours by Jim Butcher. Click cover for text and read aloud. A Wrinkle in Time by Madeline L'Engle. Farnsworth Library has physical copies you can check out, and we are happy to deliver them to you. Click the cover for the text and the read aloud. Peter and the Starcatchers by Dave Barry and Ridley Pearson. Click cover for text and read aloud. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde by Robert Louis Stevenson. Click cover for text and read aloud. If these do not interest you, try The Stonekeeper, Amulet 1. Appears on Libby Cloud Library in Mackinvia. The Red Pyramid explores Egyptian mythology, appears on Libby and Cloud Library. Legend, Marie Lu, appears on Libby Cloud Library in Mackinvia. Among the Hidden, appears on Libby and Cloud Library. Search up the following on the Farnsworth 5-8 Library through Clever and Mackinvia. Children of Blood and Bone. Tristan Strong Punches a Hole in the Sky. Charlie Hernandez in the Castle of Bones. Jessica Abel, Trish Trash. She Lives on Mars. The Bells. A Blade So Black. The Bodyguard. Wings by Christopher Myers. Books at Farnsworth. Farnsworth Library has physical copies you can check out. We're happy to deliver them to you. Maximum Ride manga version. We will also have a few copies of Black Panther, Shuri, and Miles Morales Spider-Man by Jason Reynolds. Sentence stems. If you want to use them, you might choose different wording. Several books interest me. They are 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Blank is the most interesting to me because Rubric 4, I've included 4 more books and explained why 1 is most interesting to me. 3, I've included 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, no attempt made. Please make an attempt. I would love to hear your interests. Thank you, readers. Dr. Stocker.